Want to see your Christmas present? This is what I got you. I got you a blanket. You see your Christmas present? Well, you can't tear it up, Boomer. It's your Christmas present. All right, give it to me. All right, give me. Hey. God bless. See what else I got you for Christmas? A new squeaker toy. A new squeaker toy. Too bad. It's a blanket? See a blanket? It's your Christmas blanket.
Your daughters are best friends.
It's a blanket for dogs. Yeah. See what else Mommy got you? Mommy got you balls. Mommy got you balls. Yeah. These are for Christmas. And Mommy got you chicken, corn on the cob, baked potato. See? Look, it's a Christmas present. It's a Christmas present. Want to see the Christmas present? What is it?
Don't let us kneel this way.
It's a Christmas present? It's a present, Boomer. It's a present. It's a present?